Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the luxurious playground of the rich and famous the United States. Get ready for a thrilling 4060 FPS HDR walkthrough as we explore this vibrant nation. Let's kick things off in Chicago, where we'll witness an architectural marvel known as the Trump Tower. Moving on to New York City, we'll marvel at Central Park and take in the breathtaking views from the top of One World Trade Center. Next up, we have Miami Beach, where you can soak up the sun on South Beach or indulge in luxury at the St. Regis Bal Harbor Resort. Prefer a more tranquil setting? Head to Montana for a serene stay at the ranch at Rock Creek. But if you crave the hustle and bustle of city life, Los Angeles is calling your name with its glamorous Beverly Hills Hotel. And don't forget to swing by Las Vegas for an unforgettable experience on the Strip. Thanks for joining me on this whirlwind tour of America. If you enjoyed this video and want more exciting travel content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Happy adventures, everyone!